everyone, welcome to African Note Food. I hope everyone is well. Today we have okra stew for you guys. So we have all our ingredients here. So first we have our homemade tomatoes, and we have diced tomatoes, tin tomatoes. We have diced onion, one large onion, and then we have fermented fish, momone, and then we have fish powder here and prawn powder, and here we have a shrimp cube, salt, oregano, and here we have a mix of onion, garlic, and aniseed, and Scotch bonnet, one Scotch bonnet. And here I have mackerel, grilled mackerel. I took the bones out and everything. And also we have zombie oil that we're going to use for our stew. And here we have the okra. And then we have aubergine as well, aubergine. But you can use garden eggs as well. And here we have crab, steamed and everything. And here we have assorted meat that we're going to do our stew with. So please stay tuned. So first of all, I'm going to add my oil here, zombie oil, or you can use vegetable oil of your choice. So this is it. So, and then I'm going to add my onion, diced onion. Okay. I'm adding the fermented fish, momone. Leave it to cook with the onions for 5 minutes. So now I'm adding the mixture, which is Scotch bonnet, onion, aniseed, and garlic. Stir. So now I'm adding the tomatoes. I'll let this cook a bit before I can add the homemade tomatoes. A tiny bit, not too much. A tiny bit. Okay, I'm gonna leave it to cook. So now we're adding the fish powder, shrimp cube, and the salt and oregano. And mix it together. So now we are going to add the meat into the stew. Mix it. So now we are adding the okra and the aubergine into the stew. That's it. And I'm gonna mix this together. And the aubergine is optional. If you can't find garden eggs, just use aubergine. I think aubergine is more easier to find anywhere you are. So now I'm gonna add the crab into the stew. Okay. Be gentle when you're stirring your stew because of the crab. It breaks easily. Okay. So, and adding the mackerel also into it. Big chunk. Yeah. Okay. I have this with banku. A very nice banku that I did earlier. I'm gonna add that with my stew. So voila, The end part of our stew is done. It's cooked. Now we can serve this and eat with a dankun. This goes there. A bit of everything. Yeah. And that. A bit of yeah. And the stew. So voila, this is our stew, our okra stew that we're going to eat with dankun, the mackerel. Yeah, you can eat anything of your choice. You can have the alifufu, anything. I even eat this with rice and it's really nice. Yeah, try. If you haven't tried it, try nkrumah stew with rice or nkrumah soup with rice. Nice. Hope you enjoy our cooking today and you join us again. See you soon. Please do like, share, subscribe, comment, and give us a thumbs up. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.